In this video, I'm going to talk to you about cooking up for more than one. Number one rule about nutrition is if it's not there, you're not going to eat it. Now, if you want to eat nutritious food that is tasty and delicious, you need to have it available. And these two apparatuses here are part of what we call the tools of the trade. This is an electric banquet fry pan. You can see here, we've got about 2 kilos of mince in there. Now, this doesn't take any longer than doing the same thing with 500 grams on the stove. So you're far better utilising the time and getting more out of it on an electric fry pan than a small, shallow pan on the stove. Another really great tool is your slow cooker or pressure cooker. You can get the 2-in-1 or the 5-in-1s these days. These are really great tools because you can cook just about anything in it. And as I said with the electric fry pan, you're going to be able to cook up a lot more food with a slow cooker than you would in a pot, for example. Other tools of the trade are an oven with some roasting pans. You've got a barbecue as well that you can use. Anything that you can cook up things in bulk is going to be it's going to be enough for you to go ahead and become really time efficient in the kitchen. So what I want you to do is now, every time you enter the kitchen, don't leave the kitchen without extra food for the following days.